Hi, I'm making this in Dell Webcam Central.
Hi, I'm Alex Sakari, and for this module of Technology and Standards, I want to talk about the accrediting body called ABET, which stands for the Accreditation Board for Engineering and Technology. The motto is assuring quality and stimulating innovation. ABET is a nonprofit organization in the private sector, so they're not affiliated with an independent government organization. And what they do is they accredit college and university programs specifically, not universities as a whole. And the programs that they target are applied science, computing, engineering, and engineering technology. Right now they're accrediting more than 3,400 programs in 700 schools in 28 countries. And they are recognized by the Council for Higher Education, or CHIA. CINDET was originally established in 1932 as the Engineers Council for Professional Development, which consisted of 7 engineering organizations. These original organizations were the American Society of Civil Engineers, the American Institute of Mining and Metallurgical Engineers, the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, the American Institute of Electrical Engineers, the Society for the Promotion of Engineering Education, the American Institute of Chemical Engineers, and the National Council of State Boards of Engineering Examiners. Types of commissions that ABET accredits are the Applied Science Accreditation Commission, or ASAC, Computing Accreditation Commission, or CAC, the Engineering Accreditation Commission, or the EAC, and the Engineering Technology Accreditation Commission, or the GTA, which is the one that I was talking about. Now, CAC has a specific accreditation criteria, a general accreditation criteria. These criteria are student, program educational objectives, student outcomes, continuous improvement, curriculum, faculty, facilities, and institutional support. So number one, the program has to have a certain number of students enrolled in the program, and students maintain a certain level of academic performance. That the program educational objectives should be clearly outlined in the course catalog. The student outcomes, the grades that be reported, that the continuous improvement plan must reflect that in terms of expansion, in programs, and courses. The curriculum also needs to be laid out for that to improve. The faculty must support and also have accreditation for their degrees. The facilities for each that facility requires certain technological level of technology in terms of equipment, computer access, that, and education institutional support. The amount of funding from universities for this program. Now, a personal account of this, back in 2006, I originally chose engineering technology as my major, and during deciding on my concentration, I was introduced to a new concentration, product development, where I could incorporate several different disciplines. And I was told that it would be accredited in 2012 along with biomedical technology. After completing the program in 2012, the accreditation board came into that, and the university decided to withdraw its candidacy for accreditation for product development because several of the faculty members were double dipping in departments covering multiple classes. said, I was working through my master's degree, which actually was aggressive. I did that in 2014. A little overview of a four education for engineering and lighting.
Okay, and that's just a little bit about the accreditation board for engineering and technology. I recorded this with the webcam central, just trying something different. It works.